Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fashion Designs. Friends, I hope you are all fine and best of health. Today I am here with a new video. In this video you guys can see there are new latest collection of Nike sneakers. This collection is very latest and very beautiful and very pretty sneakers. I hope you must like this sneakers, this Nike shoes. You can purchase this Nike shoes from Nike Outfitters shop. So I hope you must like these shoes. You guys can see this red color sneaker is looking very beautiful, and this you can see this shoes hole. This designs are very latest, and these shoes are looking very beautiful, and I hope you guys must want to buy this Nike shoes. If you want to buy, so please visit your near Nike shop. And guys who are new at my channel, I request those please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos, and visit my channel. If you like my channel, so must subscribe. If you do not like my channel, so do not subscribe my channel. And I hope you must like my designs, my channel. There are latest collection of everything about fashion at my channel, so please must visit one time my channel. So guys, I hope you must like these shoes. If you like this shoes, so please like my video, share it with your friends, and give your feedback in comment section. And take care of yourself and your family, and stay home, stay safe. So we met in another video. So take care of yourself till the next video. Okay, goodbye.